act like the person you want to become. That's not fake it till you make it, by the way.
Ngayon sa Pinoy Extreme, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin niya when she said, act like the person you want to become. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
This is intentional. Intentionally act like the person you want to become. Because when you intentionally act like the person you want to become, your brain sees you taking those actions, so your brain starts to change the way it relates to you.
Now, what she means by that is you getting your goals is actually a matter of action. Sabihin na naman nila, oh, privilege ka kasi, kaya mo nasasabi yan. Okay, let me tell you this. Whatever privilege I have right now will be gone as soon as I start to act like them. Ano yung ibig sabihin? Kung ano man yung nakikita nyong yaman ko kung meron man, would be gone. Or mawawala siya the moment na mag-asal squatter ako. Okay, diba? Madali na nating maiisip, madali na nating ma-quantize kung ano ba yung mga asal squatter na pwedeng magpahirap sa atin. Napakasimple nun. Bakit? Tumingin ka sa kung paano umasal yung mga squatter. So, now we have a model of what not to imitate. Diba? Hindi mo naman sila minamock. Dahil we are focusing doon sa actions, hindi doon sa pagkatao nung doer ng action. Kasi actions can always change. Diba? Kaya nga, parating issue, hindi tao. And by criticizing the issue or the action, not the person, hindi yung tao, iniiwan mo yung kakayanan doon sa nagkamali para i-rebuild yung sarili nila, para mapatunayan na kaya nilang umalis doon by doing a different action. Kasi pwede mong palitan yun eh. Pwede mong ibahin yung action, pero yung pagkatao mo, hindi. When you promote this kind of mentality, you will help the person change for the better, and then binibigyan mo rin siyang chance para ma-redeem niya yung dignidad na nawala sa kanya during the challenging times na dumadaan siya sa pagsubok. O diba, tinuruan mo na yung tao, tapos yung dignidad niya intact, plus yung mental health niya aangat, and magiging parte na siya ng mga grupo na pwedeng mag-offer ng solution sa problema. You taught them how to solve their problems by actually just focusing on their actions and hindi sa pagkatao. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.